Hello, my name is Adam, and I am part of Google team in Globema, a Google Cloud Premier Partner. Welcome to the second episode from our Google Maps platform tutorial series. Our first video covered license and pricing changes, and we briefly mentioned three core products. In this video, we are going to dedicate our time to one of Google Maps platform three core products, Maps. Plus, we will show you which API services are included in this product. Maps help people across the globe to visualize disarranged data from various sources into location-based information. User may not understand the meaning of list of address points, but with Maps, one may find a pattern. Let's find what challenges bring today's world and how Maps can solve it. Every day, businesses open and close, new roads are opened, are under construction or get renamed, and buildings are built or torn down. Our world is constantly changing, which means Google Maps also need to constantly change to accurately reflect the world around us. Those changes need to be updated across the multitude of devices that we use on a daily basis. Therefore, Google Maps is constantly improving with over 25 million updates each day. That's almost 300 updates every second. These updates come from more than 1,000 sources, including public and commercial mapping data, satellite, aerial, and street view imagery, crowdsourced Android devices around the globe, and millions of users and local guides. Simply said, with Maps, you can confidently build better user experience with rich and highly accurate mapping, location, and image data. Building better experience means creating interactions and visuals for users. These help them better see what they are looking for. Only Google Maps allows you to bring the real world to your users through 360-degree street view and high-resolution satellite imagery. It is powered by thousands of street view cars, tracker backpacks, trolleys, snowmobiles, and trikes in 86 countries across all 7 continents. What is more, Street View Trusted, which shows panoramic inside views of businesses, is currently live in 128 countries with over 700,000 businesses globally available and thousands more publishing their tours each month. You can style your maps with custom markers, colors, polygons, and images. Also, you can give users the ability to create and share their own custom maps and use functions such as zoom, pinch, rotate, tilt to explore given location in detail. Users can also choose between 4 map types: road map, satellite, hybrid, and terrain. In addition, you can rely on fast performance with vector and raster maps that render at high-speed frame rates across all ranges of devices. This is all possible with Maps APIs. You can build customized agile experience that bring the real world to your users. For instance, with Maps JavaScript API, you can add an interactive map to your website. You can also customize it with your own content and imagery. It is a very powerful API with almost endless possibilities. Street View API embeds real-world imagery with 360-degree panoramas. In this slide, you may find the Street View image of our HQ in Warsaw. You may also want to show location of your business to your potential customers like that. With Maps Static API, you can add simple embeddable map images to your website with minimal coding skills. With Maps Embed API, you can add interactive maps or street view panoramas to your site using a simple HTTP request. Plus, there are Maps URLs, which allows you to launch Google Maps and initiate an action like search or directions using cross-platform URL scheme. To add a map to your mobile app, you can use Maps SDK for iOS and Android. We will describe all APIs into details during the upcoming episodes. In case you want to go deeper now, we published a short guide to understand different types of Google Maps at our blog. We put a link into the description. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Google Maps Platform video tutorial series, and I believe you gained some interesting information. I'm looking forward to speak to you in next video in which we will continue with product overview. In case of any questions, you can comment under video or leave a message through our website. If you like this video, you can click on the like button and subscribe button to stay connected with the next topics and Globema. Thank you and have a nice day.